What is going on, everybody? I am your crypto nerd, helping you make some sense of what is the current market trend in cryptocurrency. Well, what I have for you today is my opinion and my prediction of the market within the next few days. Well, I am thinking that the market is actually going to crash again within the next few days, or if not fully crash, then it's going to drop to a significant low number compared to the previous drop that we had within the last 4 days. Well, why do I say that? Well, first of all, let's take a look at just quickly some of the changes within the last 24 hours, and that's going to help you get some insight on what is going on with the market. Right now, notice that things are starting to fall again. A lot of reds changes within the last 24 hours. A lot of percent going down. So is this a good time to buy? Well, that depends. If things are gonna go in the upward direction in the next 24 hours, then yes. But if things continues to fall, then you want to wait until it falls. Even before we go on to look at some of my supporting facts on why I think the market's gonna fall again, let's take a look at some of this trend here and see what we learned from it. This is from the last crash, right? So if there is another crash coming within the next day or two, then you're gonna see that this chart will start to go down significantly, just kind of like what we had the first time. The good news is once there is a crash, there tends to be an exponential climb. There tends to be an exponential climb in almost every crypto. So that's a good sign. That's a sign that tells you, except for this guy. I'm not sure what happened to this guy. This is Bitcoin Gold. So Bitcoin Gold did take also an exponential climb, but not as significant as the other graph. So that's the good news that we see. So if there's another crash, we probably want to buy in because it tends to make a bounce right afterward. So why do I say that there will likely be another crash? Well, news drive the price of cryptocurrency. So one of the news that is released today or yesterday is that Visa is blocking cryptocurrency purchases, specifically for one of the biggest U.S. bank credit card issuers, Capital One. They are blocking people from buying cryptocurrency using credit card. And the trend now is starting at 2018 is there are many new investor or people getting into cryptocurrency, and their main use of purchases is not bank transfer but credit card. And if there's a decline in the number of people being able to use credit card to purchase cryptocurrency, then you damn right you expect the price to even go down. So that's just one of the signs that I noticed that I want to bring that into your light. Another one, Bitcoin as a money, using Bitcoin as a money in Europe just got a lot harder. So this is stopping a lot of people from being able to use Bitcoin as a way of payment for services, and they have made it a lot harder for people to do that. So these news hopefully doesn't have a big effect on the overall market, but of course the market is so the markets drive on the emotion of social media. So things like this could really drive the entire market down. Let's go on to Telegraph, one of the biggest news source and feed for cryptocurrency market. We got a few bad news that I like to bring it to light. First of all, North Korean hackers stole funds from South Korean cryptocurrency exchanges. These are not good news, guys. These are news that can really be damaging to the whole market as a whole. As you can see, we had news such as, South Korean government trying to ban or stop its people from trading cryptocurrency, and that has a huge effect on the overall market, dropping the market $300 to $400 billion. A huge decline in the market because of those news. Bitcoin laundering less than 1% of all transactions. That's okay. Indian bank suspending Bitcoin exchange account. All right. So I don't know how this just happened 10 hours ago. This happened 58 minutes ago. And as soon as these news are released, see the market trend, it went down right away. So that's telling you that these are not the market is probably going to experience a bit of decline, or hopefully, or maybe a crash within the next coming 24 to 48 hours. But keep in mind what we learned from the last crash is it's going to go back up because there are people that will buy really low. They're going to take advantage of these opportunities. They're going to buy really low, and that's going to bring the market back up. So the idea here is just wait and monitor the progress, monitor the news, And when the time is right, either buy or sell to minimize your loss. Buy when it's really low so that you can recapitalize when the market is fully healthy again. All right. So that is my 2 cents for you today. Subscribe to Crypto Nerd. I will talk to you in the next video.